At the beginning of this week, the interviews continued. My interview was actually last week on Thursday. I did come home and try to review the areas I felt uncertain about. I'm still uncertain if our graphs for Project 2 are completely correct. I definitely think the interviews are helpful for me, although it can be frustrating when I don't comprehend an area of subject matter. I've been continuing with my journaling, and I do need to continually go back and review. I was probably a little complacent and could have done more so with my spare time. On Thursday, we had an interesting experiment. Well, the idea was interesting, but watching the pendula, maybe not so much. This experience was to aid in our understanding of circular and rotational movement. We reviewed Newton's universal law of gravitation. We measured the time for 10 swings with varying heights of string and weight measures. David hooked up a machine that was initially supposed to measure the motion and connected the data with Logger Pro for graphical analysis. This machine was actually really cool. I didn't even know that they had something like that that could measure a pendulum swing, but with the technology we have today, we have all kinds of neat things. This was known as a force probe motion detector experiment. Hopefully these experiments will help us to understand how we can better comprehend centrifugal force, how it works, how it affects our football's motion pathway as it relates to our project for Project 3. Next week we will not be having class as David will be attending a physics seminar, so that will give us a break to try and catch up and make sure that we are on target with the things that we need to do. I need to take advantage of this opportunity and the spare time that I have to begin working on our project and making sure that I am up to date for the work that needed to be done. So, that being said, I will sign off for this week. This is week 11, I believe. We're getting close to the end, so I hope you guys have a good week, and I will be back soon.